we will have another one of those highlights na kinaabangan ng mga tao dito po sa loob ng ating venue, ang Slam Dunk Competition ng Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3.
In our first leg, itong si Kobe Paras lorded it over the field para mapanalunan yung ating cash prize in the Slam Dunk Contest. Bakit nga naman hindi? He is a winner in the FIBA level sa Slam Dunk Competition. Of course, magiging madali na sa kanya manalo here in the Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3. But we'll see new faces that will be gunning for the Slam Dunk crown in just a little bit.
In the meantime, we've got a lot of celebrities in the house and we'll turn it over to Mara Aquino with one of them. Mara?
Kasama ko ngayon ang Tower of Power, Benji Paras. Alam namin na mahilig ka sa uling roaster lechon manok, pero nandito ka para suportahan ng Chooks to Go Pilipinas.
Parehong manok naman yan eh. Pareho kong manok. Nauna lang itong Chooks and ito lang sila lang yung nakapagtayo muna ng 3x3 at ng Slam Dunk Competition. Kaya andito ako. Pero after nito, pupunta naman ako ng uling roasters para bumili ng manok.
Maraming salamat at nandito ka para suportahan ng Chooks to Go Pilipinas. Balik na tayo. Balik na tayo sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Mara. Sabihin mo kay Benji, kailangan uling, lutuin niya mabuti yung uling roasters.
Tapos dalhan niya tayo.
Ayun, ang mas mabuti doon.
importante.
Oo. Ha? Alright, mga kaibigan, we take a look at our competitors dito sa Slam Dunk Competition. Of course, last week, nagpakita si Kobe Paras, no? Because that was our inaugural leg. But today, he will not be on the floor. But still, we have some excellent slam dunkers in the house.
LA Revilla, the Phoenix Pulse Field Masters. Of course, Coach Chris Gavina. An assistant sa Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Juan Shkola, frontman. El Luzon will be the judges.
From the one and only purebred of Mars,
All right.
a basketball
Ang dami pong tao na dito sa loob ng ating venue, enjoying the action here. And again, this is a historic event and we'd like to invite everyone. Every weekend po ay may laban ang Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3. Of course, all the way to April when we will have our
Super Quest.
Super Quest. Ang grand finals po natin ay also magaganap sa Marso. And we invite everyone to join us here. And of course, kung hindi kayo makakapanood all over the Philippines via ESPN5, watch us live dito po sa Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3. Karil is also in the house. Ba, magsaslam dunk ba si Karil? Ha? Yan ang puro G's ang aking score dyan.
Tingin ko, mas mataas yung pagkakataon ni Karil makaslam dunk kaysa sa asawa niyang Sia Eliuson. Pareho natin kaibigan yan, of course. Proud ambassadors of Chooks to Go.
Ayun, mukhang siya ang magiging assistant.
Wow!
Siya ang magiging assistant dito sa unang dunk, no?
O kahit hindi pumasok to, Gis yung score mula kay Yael.
Hindi, exhibition pala, exhibition.
Mali si Sudan, kasalanan ni Sudan.
Sudan, ikaw may kasalanan yan. Hindi yung pasa. Ito. Kasi bitawan mo yung mic. Huwag ka mag-alala, Karil.
Yan na, siseryosohin na.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Karil. Yan na. Ito, sigurado na yan. Ayun! Gis ang pasa. Bebe yung pasa, uno yung dunk.
Ano naman, tingin ko dapat Benji Paras naman, isang sample.
Ayun.
One of the most powerful dunkers we've seen in the PBA, of course, the Tower of Power himself.
Legendary. Legendary. Dami akong kwento dyan kay Benji, but maubusan tayo ng oras pag nagkwentuhan tayo tungkol kay
Mamaya na lang.
Mamaya na lang. Anyway, we've got our competitors here in the Slam Dunk Competition. Carlo, apat ito. Tatlo. Tatlo ito maglalaban-laban, ano?
Yep. Chance to really make a name for themselves in the Slam Dunk competition.
That is our first dunker.
Very impressive. Ayan naging performance. Bunch of 9s and 8s.
A lot of 8s. Aba, merong explanation pa. Panoorin natin ulit ito, ha. Yung ating unang dunker ay si
Jeff Bulawan.
Jeff Bulawan.
Yep.
Medyo simple, no? Simple yung dunk niya, pero malinis. A lot of 8s being scored. At si Benji Paras, may explanation pa sa score niya. Paliwanag mo na lang daw sa, sa presinto.
Dapat interviewin natin si Benji Paras after every dunk attempt.
42 points para kay Jeb Bulawan. And here's our second competitor. This is Gomez. Gomez ba?
Yep.
Off the glass, masyado malakas. Eh, ang nagpapasa sa kanya, yung kanyang, yung kanyang kalaban, eh.
Oo nga, sinasama, eh. No?
Eh, syempre. Sabi niya, ba't kita tutulungan?
Ito, mukhang kukuha ng tulong.
Ayun, sabi niya, natuto,
sabi
sabi ni Gomez, natuto na siya. Huwag ikaw pumasa. Magkakamali ako dito, eh. This is our second competitor of our slam dunk competition. Kanina po, si Bulawan scored 42 points from our panel of judges.
Sabi niya, wag na lang. Ako na mag-isa.
Oh.
Hindi kayo marunong pumasa.
Ito po, pinatalbog. Ang hirap niya. From behind the backboard. Hindi po madali ito, ah. This is from behind the backboard. Doon siya magsisimula. I saw this once kay Japet Aguilar back in 2008. Doon po sa Vegas. First time I ever saw Japet Aguilar. Nagpakita siya sa amin sa Las Vegas training camp. He came off the back of the backboard. Tinapon niya at he dunked it behind the backboard.
Two more attempts. Yun pa lang yung first official attempt.
Again, this is one of the sidelights here, mga kaibigan, sa ating venue. Kanina po nagkaroon ng 3-point shootout. And there's the completion of the dunk. Mula kay Gomez.
Off the backboard for a two-handed jam.
Some 8s, a couple of 7s.
Next up, we got Juan Eliano, little brother.
Now it will be, that was of course the
Junex Diaz.
Junex Diaz pala, sorry. Now it's this is Gomez De Leano. That is
Very prominent basketball family.
This is
This the amateur rank.
the younger brother of
Yeah.
the De Leano, Gomez De Leano brothers of UP. And several nines there. Couple of nines sa mga kurado natin.
Iba talaga yung effect when you score on your first dunk. Eh, mas mataas talaga yung binibigay na score.
At saka may power yung tinira ni Joe Gomez De Leano. Just came across the court with one hand, halos windmill, and just slammed it home, and he will get the best score in the first round.
Jeff Bulawan had an impressive dunk in the first one.
Oh, binitbit niya. That's a nice one. That's a double clutch. In the air, two-handed stuff. Of course, matangkad si Jeff Bulawan compared to the others.
Mahaba yung galamay nitong si Jeff.
But still, in terms of yung showmanship, eh, dapat bigyan ng magandang score yan. At nakita po natin. Watch it again. Double clutch in the air. And dapat binuka pa niya ng konti yung paa niya. Para merong konting
showmanship. Kukuha ng audience impact. Itong si
yung
Joe
mga
Gomez
kapatid
De
niya.
Leano.
Kapatid niya na si Juan.
Juan, yep.
Ang magiging props niya. This is the finals. Kasi mukhang dunk off na lang to, no? Dalawa na lang sila.
Tingin ko dapat next time mag side events natin, Morris.
Pwede. Pwede yan. Gayahin mo ako. What you can do, I can do better.
Mukhang mag-ano pa eh, mag-Instagram video pa itong si Juan Gomez De Leano.
Juan Gomez De Leano, ang star guard ng UP Fighting Maroons. At ang dadakdak ngayon ang kanyang nakababatang kapatid
To make things happen for you guys.
na si Joe. 2 taon, nasa ilalim ng basket. Let's see what he will do. Oy!
It's all right. He got 2 more attempts.
Sabi niya, isa na lang.
Changes minds, hindi. Kaya yan. Baka dun sa third attempt, isa na lang.
Oh, pag hindi pa, umalis na kayo dyan. Alright. Crowd getting egged on here. Gomez Diliano with his second attempt here. He needs a completion.
Yeah.
Para lamang magkaroon siya ng magandang score. Oh, yung mga camera nakalabas na. Ito na. Coming in hot. Joe Gomez Diliano. Bam! That should win it. That should win it. Spectacular dunk, and it's a perfect score from the panel of judges. Watch it again, Carlo. Medyo may tulong ng konti. Push off ng kanyang kaliwa, but still, nevertheless, a spectacular dunk.
Clearing two people, including his brother, Juan Gomez Diliano. This is Joe making a name for himself in our slam dunk competitions. The Chuksugo Pilipinas 3x3 second leg.
And Joe Gomez Diliano scores a perfect 50 para mukhang mapapanalunan niya. But we will wait for the official tally and official announcement of the winners here of our Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 Slam Dunk competition. And the winner was no other than, with a total score of 92 points, Joe Gomez Diliano, Slam Dunk champion ng ating second leg Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3.